PanelDesk runs your entire panel shop from the cloud, so no need for a server anymore. All you need is your laptop and an internet connection, and it even runs on your mobile device. My name is Sam, and I built this, and here's a little bit of what we do. You can do your quotes, your job cards, your invoicing, and even final costings for insurance purposes. And the sending is handled by PanelDesk for you. So quotes and invoices are emailed directly from PanelDesk. Your clients can then either accept or decline the quotation, and if they go silent, PanelDesk will then follow up for you. There's also a live production board. So every vehicle in your panel shop is tracked at every stage. So you can see who's working on what and ultimately what is the profitability of your shop. Your team clocks in and out at a kiosk at your workshop. So time and attendance is done for you. And then you can simply just send that off to payroll. During the repair process, your customers can even get customized SMS notifications, which keep them up to date throughout the process. So when the vehicle gets booked in, when the repair is started, the different stages, and finally, when the vehicle is ready for collection. And then when it comes to insurance, that is all handled properly. The insurance invoice and excess is split automatically, and then there is a clearance certificate to sign at collection. And everything else lives in PanelDesk too, such as your supplier bills, your parts orders, your photos and documents that you save to the job, accounting sync, and so much more. Ultimately, PanelDesk is one system that can run your panel shop end to end and is hosted in the cloud. Most importantly, is built for South African panel shops. Come and see what your shop looks like on PanelDesk. You can see everything at paneldesk.co.za.